Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Measure 1 cup dried Irish moss and 2 tablespoon whole linseed, then cover with 8 cups cold water and soak for 4 to 12 hours to soften fibers. Add 1/2 cup raisins, 1/4 cup grated coconut, 3 cloves, and 1 cinnamon stick to the soak to infuse flavor. After soaking, rinse the moss thoroughly, trim any discolored bits, and pick out sand or shell fragments so the final drink stays smooth and grit-free. Place the soaked linseed in a small pot with 3 cups water and simmer gently for 15 minutes until it releases a thick mucilage. Cool slightly. In a high-speed blender, combine 1 cup soaked Irish moss with 3 cups hot water and the cooked linseed gel, plus the softened raisins, coconut, cloves, and cinnamon. Blend on high until silky smooth. Pour the mixture through a fine sieve or double-layer cheesecloth, pressing or squeezing to extract as much liquid as possible for a clear, velvety base. Return the strained liquid to the blender and add 1/2 cup sweetened condensed milk and 1/4 cup evaporated milk, or alternatively 3 to 4 tablespoon granulated sugar to taste. Blend briefly to combine. Taste and adjust with a pinch of salt and 1/4 tsp cinnamon, then chill the drink for at least 2 hours so flavors meld. Serve over ice in 12-oz glasses with a light dusting of grated nutmeg. Refrigerate leftovers up to 5 days in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.